variation in value of small g with depth. Let me say this is our earth and m is the mass of the earth, r is the radius of the earth, and we are going at a depth d from the surface of the earth at point P, where we have to calculate the gravity. अगर मैं कहता हूँ radius of the earth is r, then definitely this is center. This total distance is r, and this distance from C to P is known as r minus d. So gravity at the surface, we will write it is given by gm upon r square. अब d depth पे gravity कितनी होगी? This is d depth and we have to calculate the gravity at this point. Means r minus d radius का जो sphere बनेगा, that mass is responsible for the gravity. अगर आप d depth पे p point पे हो, तो p point से जो sphere पास हो रहा है, center of the earth is center, यानी कि r minus d radius का जो sphere है, उसकी वजह से जो gravity होगी, that is the gravity at depth d. So gravity at depth d is given by g. Mass will be, suppose I say yellow shaded mass is given by m dash upon r square. R square जगह क्या लिखोगे आप? R minus d whole square. Now mass we will convert into density. We know very well density rho is given by mass upon volume. So we can write mass capital M is given by rho is density, volume of the r radius, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So gravity at the surface will be g rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon r square. So gravity at the surface, we say it is g only, r square it will remain only r, so we will say it is going to be 4 by 3 pi rho g into r. This is equation number 1. Similarly, gravity at depth d is given by g, m dash is given by density same, that is rho, volume is given by 4 by 3 pi r minus d whole cube, because m dash के लिए कौन सी रेडियस काम आ रही? r minus d, divided by r minus d whole square. So r minus d cancel, and we will get 4 by 3 pi rho g r minus d. This is equation number 2. We divide equation 2 by equation 1. We will get gravity at depth d divided by gravity on the surface is given by r minus d upon r, and it can be written as 1 minus d upon r. So finally gravity at depth d is given by g into 1 minus d upon r. So this is the expression for gravity at any depth d. What will be the gravity at the center of the earth? Center of the earth means you are reaching at this point. When you are reaching at this point, d is written as the r. So when d is written as the r, d by r is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Gravity at center of the earth will be given by 0. It means if I ask your mass is m and you are reaching at the center of the earth, what will be your weight? We know weight is given by mass into gravity. Gravity at the center of the earth is 0. So weight at the center of the earth will be 0. Formula for decrement is g with depth d, and assume the radius of the earth is re. We will say gravity at surface minus gravity at the depth d upon gravity at the surface. We have to calculate surface पे gravity कितनी होती है? g. d depth पे कितनी होगी? g 1 minus d upon r. r की जगह हम लोग लिख लेते हैं radius of the earth is re upon gravity at the surface is g. You will open the bracket, g से g cancel, and you will write gd upon re into g. g से g cancel, so this decrement is given by d upon re. d is the depth, r is the radius of the earth.